Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today topic is life insurance. So let's start this video. Life insurance is the type of insurance coverage that provides a financial benefit to the designed benefits upon the death of the insured person. It is designed to provide a financial safety net for our loved ones in the event of the policyholders passing. Here an overview of life insurance. Types of life insurance. Number A, term life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage of a specific terms, typically 10, 20 and 30 years. If the insured person passes away during the term, the beneficiary receive a death benefit. Terms life insurance is often more affordable compared to other types of life insurance, and it's suitable for those with temporary coverage needed, such as provides income replacement for departments or paying off a mortgages. B. Whole life insurance. Whole life insurance provided coverage of the interest lifetime of the insured person. It combines a death benefits with a cash volume component that over time. Premiums for whole life insurance are typically higher than term insurance, the proper but the policy offer long coverage and potential of cash value growth. Universal life insurance. Universal life insurance is a flexible form of permanent life insurance that allow policyholder to adjust their premium and death benefit amounts over time. It also included a cash volume component that can the earth interest. Universal life insurance offer more flexibility and options of policyholders but required carefully management to maintain the desired level of coverage and cash volume growth. Number 2, important of life insurance. Income replacement. Number A. Number 2, debit repayment. Number 3, education expenses. Number 4, final expenses. Number 5, estate planning. These are importance of life insurance. Determines coverage amount. The coverage amount should be based on the financial needed for the benefits. Consider factors such as outstanding debt, income replacement needed, future financial goal, and professional expenses such as educational medical costs. It's important to regular coverage amount of changing. Number 4, premier level premier level premium. With level premium, the amount remaining the same through the policy term. Grade graded premium started lower and increase gradually over time. Single premium, some policies offer the option to pay a lump sum premium upfront. The premium amount is determined by factors such as age, health, coverage amount, policy type, and during of coverage. Medical underwriting. When applied for a life insurance company may require a medically underwrite process whose included a health questionnaire, medical exam, and sometimes lab test. Policy riders and additional features. Life insurance policy may offer option rider and additional feature that can be added to based on policy. So I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share for friends. See you. Goodbye.